how to find channels on Telegram on the iPhone. First of all, open up Telegram. Now, on top, tap on the search field. Make sure that chats here is still selected and you can then search for Telegram channels. Please note that on Telegram itself, you can only find public channels. In order to find and join private channels, you need to have an invite link. You cannot search for private channels on Telegram directly. Please keep that in mind. But now, let's suppose you're looking for a public channel. Then as mentioned, you can find it by using the search field here on top of the page. If you don't know the exact name of the channel that you would like to join, please note that by using this search function here, you'll find both Telegram channels and Telegram groups. So how do you know if it's a channel or a group? Well, it's actually pretty simple. For all of this here, after the handle in blue here, it either says members or subscribers. Whenever it says members, you're actually dealing with a group. And whenever it says subscribers, it's a channel. This is how you can tell Telegram channels and groups apart. So now, let's say I would like to join this group right here. You can simply tap on it. The channel will then open up. And to join, at the bottom, simply tap on join. And you have now successfully joined this channel. So you can obviously do that with whatever topic you want. And to join one of the channels or groups, here remember you just have to tap on it. And then at the bottom, simply tap on join. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.